Here's a short video explaining a great way to get the paper texture out of some scanned artwork. Maybe you're prepping your artwork for printing onto like high quality art paper, which obviously has a texture itself, or perhaps you're getting some greetings cards made up. So I've scanned my artwork twice. First time one way up, and then I've rotated it 180 degrees and scanned it again. And now I've opened up both my scans in Photoshop. Here's one, and here's the other one. Obviously it's upside down because we scanned it upside down. So obviously we can just image rotation, 180 degrees, flip it around the right way, copy all, select all, copy, and we paste it over our first scan. Now we need to get them properly aligned. A good way to do that is to change the blending mode to difference. And as we move it around and we line things up, obviously it goes black. So it's a good way to make sure we're as well aligned as we can be. You may notice I popped a little cross in each corner. That's just another way to try and help get a decent aligning. So if we align this cross up like so, that's probably pretty good. Command T for transform, and then we can Alt and click to put our center rotation right in the middle of the X. And we want to go down to our opposite corner, and now we can rotate until that one goes mostly black. I think that's probably as good as we're gonna get. Not the best, but I think it will do. So we've got our two images fairly well aligned. Now obviously where you've got your scanner, you've got the scan head, and then there's a light next to it which obviously lights the artwork up. That light picks up the texture of the paper, so you've got these areas of light and dark all over the place. What we do when we flip it upside down, we're creating a sort of reverse texture. So we're using that to cancel out the light and dark points of the other image. And we do that by setting the blend mode to lighter colour. Now you can already see it's pretty good. You can see I've got a load of blemishes on the paper where my messy artwork, things like that. So now we can just merge down, use our spot healing brush, start moving bits like this, cleaning up. There. Don't need to do the best job ever because this is only an example. We can even use this to get rid of our yellow X's, like so. Any other sort of obvious spots? There's a horrible fingerprint there or something, I don't know. Okay. Obviously, quite important to look at the artwork itself and get rid of any little bits. That's okay. Good. It's going to crop out the edge of the page a little bit. Set that. Now we can do our adjustments. So, levels. Oh, that's already really good. That's pretty good there. I mean, and there you have it. So with a nice sort of blank background, which would be easy to cut out, or we can print this on whatever paper we want. And there we go. Hope that helps.